Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Why. Nowadays, robot vacuum cleaners are becoming increasingly popular because we are very much occupied with our daily work. Cleaning the room is not only an extra burden but also takes a lot of time. Instead of squeezing sleeping time for cleaning, it's better to let a robot vacuum clean the room intelligently. However, have you ever thought that your smart cleaning assistant might be stealing your private information? According to the latest research, a team from the Department of Computer Science at the University of Maryland collected information from the laser-based navigation system in a popular vacuum robot and applied signal processing deep learning techniques to recover speech and potentially collect the user's private information. In other words, your robot cleaner doesn't need a microphone and can also steal your information. This research shows that even without a microphone, any device using light detection and ranging technology can be potentially manipulated to collect sound. As the researchers said, we bought these devices home without considering the potential risks. However, it has proven that even if these devices don't have a microphone, the navigation system can be repurposed to spy on conversations and potentially reveal private information. So what exactly is the reason behind? Because the LiDAR navigation system in household vacuum both shine laser beam around the room and sense the reflection of the laser as it bounces off nearby objects. The robot uses the reflected signals to map the room and avoid collisions as it moves through the house. Sound waves cause objects to vibrate, and these vibrations cause slight variations in light bouncing off an object. The laser signal sensed by the vacuum's navigation system can be captured as they bounce off a variety of objects placed near the sound source. The objects such as a trash can, cardboard box, takeout container, items that might normally be found on a typical floor. Afterwards, the signals got sent to deep learning algorithms, which were trained to either match human voices or to identify musical sequences from television shows. Guess what? The trained deep learning algorithms identified and matched spoken numbers with 90% accuracy. It also identified television shows from a minute's worth of recording with more than 90% accuracy. In other words, when you're watching TV, the cleaning robot that is working for you is likely to indirectly collect information about your personal interests and preferences, such as what you're watching on the TV, which can reveal your political preferences. This information might be further collected to be used to manipulate political elections. In addition, maps made by vacuum bots, which are often stored in the cloud, pose potential privacy breaches that could give advertisers access to information about such things as home size, which can indirectly imply your income level. Accordingly, advertisers or manufacturers can sell your corresponding advertisements or products. Therefore, when you are using phone shopping, it's very important to protect your credit card or bank information. In addition, vacuum cleaners are just one example of potential vulnerability to LiDAR-based spying. Many other devices could be open to similar attacks such as smartphone infrared sensors used for face recognition or passive infrared sensor used for motion detection. By the way, do you think laser microphone is something recently discovered? In fact, as early as the 1940s, laser microphones have already been used for spying activities and convert these changes back into sound waves. We are living in an era of artificial intelligence. Compared with before spending so much time and energy cleaning our room, now our life is becoming way more convenient because of intelligent technology. However, to a certain extent, our lives are becoming more transparent as well, and more importantly, this transparency happens unknowingly. The protection of private information will become an important task for us. Last but not least, you are welcome to subscribe, like, and comment this video. See you next time.